Welcome back to AB Kitchen. And today, guys, what are you gonna do with that leftover turkey? Well, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna make turkey fried rice. So follow along with me as I show you how I'm going to do this. Today, ABC crew, I wish y'all was here. I have cut up turkey breast, okay, and it as much as you like, guys. This is how much I want. I also have 2 cups of green onion, and you don't need that much, guys. I like extra onions. You'll find your way when you're cooking yours. I have 5 eggs here, and I have in this little cup I have 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. They have to be even, guys. And also I have bean sprouts, 1 can of bean sprouts, and then I have my fluffy rice. So follow along with me over at the stove while I combine this together. Okay, in this pan, guys, I have 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm now adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my turkey in here. And then I'm going to add the seasonings that I have for the rice. One tablespoon of garlic. Get this nice and combined in here, guys. Like I said, you can put as much or as little that you want in your rice. There go the 5 eggs. Alright, guys, I'm just going to add a little of the onions in here, but it all depends on how much you want in your rice. One thing about making your own fried rice is, like at the restaurant, you have to say extra onions if that's what you like. But at home, hey, you do what you like, because it's your rice. I'm adding bean sprouts. What you want to do is get everything mixed up before you put that rice in there. And you want your rice to be cold. All right. That's 1 cup. 2 cups of rice. All right, I'm going in with some more seasoning. And now soy sauce. Now guys, put as much as you like. I like my rice to be jazz brown. I don't want it too dark, too salty, because the soy sauce is salty, and that's where that sugar come in at. Okay, add a little at a time, because you can always add. Well, once it's in there, can't take it out of there. Turkey fried rice, guys. That's what we doing in AB's kitchen today. ABC crew, I wish y'all was here. Alright, that's the color I'm looking for. It all depends on you guys, how much soy sauce you want, how much seasoning you want. But make sure when you're playing with that salt, that you even it out with that sugar, because the soy sauce is salty as well. Alright guys, I'm going to see you over at the countertop. Okay guys, we are back. And this is the finished product. Okay? So look, that leftover turkey. Hey. Let's see how this tastes. This is good, guys. This is really good. We was going to the restaurant for what reason? I don't remember. But if you like this video, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This is some good fried rice. Turkey fried rice. ABC Crew, check it out. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. May you have peace and have a nice day.